Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. As the title would have suggested, we're doing an everyday look. That quick, easy 10-minute out the door, we gotta go kind of look. Okay, so for this video, the products were, sorry Garia, my apologies for me filming. Anyways, there's minimal products in this, minimal tools being used in this video. Yeah, I made it very easy. This is my personal go-to. I mean, I have three kind of everyday looks. I have the I basically ain't wearing shit kind of look. I have this look, and then I have the kind of like glam everyday kind of look. But this one I think is really ideal. I feel like if you do have some insecurities for your skin, I have skin issues, but I'm not really that insecure anymore. I used to be, but I've gotten over it. But yeah, I feel like this is a kind of look where you can, cover up a little something and still feel, pretty and look nice. I mean, if you have basically flawless skin, then you will really look like you tried. But for people like me that have little skin issues, it just looks like she popping today. I'm popping today. Anyways, enough of me rambling, because that's all I do. Let's just get straight into the video. Let's get straight into it. So if I am being completely honest, when I do a look like this, I don't prime and I don't set my face. That's because it's typically going to school or I'm in a rush, and that's just an extra step that I don't have time to take. And it's not heavy makeup, so I feel like it goes unnoticeable that you didn't prime or set it, as in setting spray set it. So yeah, but however, I did moisturize just because I still do think you need some form of base, some barrier between the products in your skin, even though we spend so much time pressing products into our skin. Well, whatever. And moisturizer makes for a smooth canvas. So I'm gonna hit straight into foundation because I got really bad skin, so we need to cover up some of it. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and this is the shade Soft Sable. That's 111. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is set, and I'm using the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Buttercup Light. Yes, I'm already moving on to setting just because I'm not going to be highlighting. It's just another step that we don't necessarily need to take, and I feel for this look, it's not necessarily trying to cover too much. It not being perfect is what makes the look perfect, because it's on the natural side, so you want your imperfections to peek through a bit. And what I do like about this powder, on me at least, is that it does kind of brighten the under eye. So once I bake with it, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna set my thighs. Probably not the best brush for setting your entire face, but whatever, I'm already using it. So alright, so before I go ahead and bake, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring because I'm extra AF, but it really doesn't take much time. I'm going to be using the Cover FX blotting powder in the shade Deep. That's probably not the best way to hold that. And I'm just going to very lightly contour my face. It's probably not even going to be that noticeable. And then I'm just going to quickly take a brush, a smaller brush, and hit the nose a little bit. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and just bake down their eyes because I am oily, so I still want to like bake my face. Alright, so while that is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Let's not pay attention to how they're looking. They're kind of cray-cray because they need to be shaped up, but you know, whatever. And I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil to quickly. Oh my god, I like. Okay, maybe that was a little bit too quick. Okay, I'm just going to quickly but carefully fill in my brows. I'm not like trying to make them perfect. I'm really just like filling in the sparse areas. Okay, now I'm just going to. Ooh, there's a lot of powder on this. I'm gonna dust away bakage. I'm also gonna use whatever to clean up. To bronze my face, and I am using the Wet n Wild Fergie, focus, the Wet n Wild Fergie Center Stage collection in Carnival in Rio. My favorite bronzer. I love this so much. Like, it bronzes me up so well. Bronzing now? Can I? No? Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna put on some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic, and this is in black brown, so it's not fully black, but it does give like a more natural look to it. Like, it doesn't look like black lashes. Okay, now we're gonna highlight, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics Wild Radiant Baked Illuminating and Bronzing Palette. And I'm gonna be taking this shade right here to highlight the Z face. And I'm just gonna top it off with the shade next to it. Barely anything on my brush, and it's just like cray. I'm just taking the setting powder brush. I brushed out whatever was in it to kind of tone that down because it was just a little too much. And then I'm gonna be using this Mary Kay Nourishing Plus lip gloss, and this is in the shade and I don't use any lip liner or anything like that because, once again, that takes some time. And we're done. Guys, this took 19 minutes. It just went on 90 minutes. And I have bloopers, and I paused, and I showed you guys footage, not footage. I showed you guys like products and stuff. So you can use a judge. It took me 19 minutes to film this video, just to film it. I'm used to like having hour and a half worth of footage, so you know this was quick and easy. Anyway, let's get put together real quick. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my quick and easy 10-minute everyday look. This is just, I feel put together, and I don't feel like super done up. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm clearly still seeing my skin through this because, come on, I know y'all seen those dark spots, but yeah, whatever. Yes, I love this look. It's, like I said, it's great for school, work, or just one of those days when you just don't have enough time and you need to be out the door. You know, you gotta go. So this is the look. I'm so weird and awkward. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the watch, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe. No, I don't forget. subscribe button. And if you're not quite convinced, if you're not sold on me yet based on this one video, if you're new, then head on over to my channel and check out some of my other videos, and maybe then you'll feel a bit more persuaded to subscribe. Thank you guys once again so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Toodles. Bye. Later. Peace.